Welcome students. I am Devaroti Dash, Department of Geography, PN Dash College. Today I'll be talking on transnational sea routes of India. By definition, transnational means routes across nation. It connects main centers of settlement. It increases the accessibility and trade facilities. Water transport. Water transport has been the first means of transport. The two greatest advantages of a water transport are it uses existing routes, it is cheapest form of transport for large bulky loads or goods. Types of water transport, it is of two types, inland waterways and ocean transport. Inland waterways includes rivers, canalized rivers and canals, and ocean transport, it is the producer and the consumer. Between them there is a huge distance, they are kilometers apart. Inland waterways, for example, as Ganga, Brahmaputra, these are the main rivers. Buckingham Canal is a canal which is between Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. It is having a distance of about 413 kilometers, and there are other navigable canals as well. Now, the factors affecting inland waterways are the rivers and canals should have a regular flow of sufficient water. The presence of waterfalls, cataracts, and sharp bends in the course of the river hinders the development of waterways. Silting of the riverbed reduces the depth of water and creates problems for navigation. This is an important factor. And desilting of the riverbeds is costly affair. And most importantly, diversion of the water for irrigation purposes reduces the quantity of water and should be done carefully. There should be sufficient demand for waterways to make it economically viable mode of transportation. Now, ocean transport. Several ports and harbors help in ocean transport. What is a harbor? By definition, harbor is a partially enclosed area in the sea, for example, a creek, an estuary, or a sea inlet, providing shelter to sailing ships. It is of two types, natural and man-made or artificial. Port is that place on the coast with docks, wharves, and berthing facilities where cargo in large quantities is received from the oceanic routes and sent to the interior of the country through land routes and vice versa. So, the ports are important break of the bulk points. Major ports. India has 11 major ports which handles 90% of our foreign trade. They are Mumbai port. It's very important. It is on the west coast of India and it is the biggest port of India. And there is also a new port being constructed, that is a Navashiva, for uh, minimizing. Kandla, it is a tidal port which is located at the eastern ends of Run of Kutch. The traffic handled at Kandla consists of crude oil, petroleum products, fertilizers, food grains, salt, etc. Marmagao, it is also an important port of Goa and occupies 5th position in handling the traffic. And Mangalore, it is situated on the coast of Karnataka and handles export of iron from Kundaluk. This is the map which shows important ports of India and the major and minor ports. Kochi, it is another natural harbour located on the coast of Kerala. Kochi is sheltered backwater bay. It handles chemical fertilizers, mineral oil. Tuticorin, it has been recently developed at the coast of Tamil Nadu and handles the traffic of copper, coal, salt, food grains, edible oils, sugar and petroleum products. Chennai. Chennai is the oldest artificial harbour on the east coast of India. It mainly handles petroleum products, fertilizers, iron ore and general cargo. Visakhapatnam, it is the deepest landlocked and protected port. An outer harbour has been developed to handle the export. It handles fertilizers as well. Paradip is located on Orissa coast. It handles iron ore and coal along with other dry cargo. Kolkata, it is a riverine port located 128 kilometers inland from Bay of Bengal, and it is suffering from the problem of siltation. Haldia, this port has been developed on the river Hooghly about 105 kilometers downstream from Kolkata. Now, with this, let us see the questions. What is transitional sea routes? What are the types of water transport, which I have discussed? What is ocean transport? We can write what is that, and write the major ports in brief. We are going to discuss all the major ports and the products they are handling. What is the difference between harbor and port? We can write that as well. And I have given the references from which I have prepared this presentation. And with this, I would like to say thank you for your patient hearing.